Hello students, in this video we are going to see how we can write the journal for practical number 5, that is data representation divided circles. This practical belongs to 12th standard students for science and art stream for geography subject. So this is how you are going to start with writing the practical for practical 5, that is aim, objective, introduction, material required and solved examples. Now here the material required is protector with colors, you require different pencils and scale. Okay, so next is the solved example. So the first example is based on crops, areas are given in hectares and values are given in degrees. So this is how you can plot a pie chart for it, and you need to give different colors for each and every slot. After that you have next, that is practice more section. So in this you have different types of roads like national highway, state highway, district roads, other district roads, rural roads. Okay, and the length of those roads are given to you. You have to convert these roads into degrees. For that you require a formula to convert it. Using that formula you can convert these values into degrees. You have to divide each and every value, the value of national highway with the total, and you have to multiply it by 100, and like that you can convert it. Then you need to draw a pie chart for it. Next is draw a pie chart for the following data. So this is how the answer is. You have to convert the percentage into degrees and you have to draw a pie chart, and you have to write the conclusion for it. Again, for the next question, you need to convert the number of visitors into degrees, and then you have to draw a pie chart on it. The next question, the same thing, land used in the categories. It's already given in percentage, you have to convert it into degrees, and with the help of protector you have to draw this pie chart. Same thing you'll be doing for the next question. In this you have hills, plains, plateaus and valleys. So this is how you'll be converting percentage into degree, and you'll be drawing the pie chart. So this is all about practical number 5. Once again I'll be showing you. So this is, you'll be writing the aim, objective, material required, introduction. Then this is the sample answer which is given in your book. Then you have to solve the practice more section, and you have to give the conclusion based on each and every question. This is about total land area, land use category. This is about physical features. So this is all about practical number 5. Thank you for watching.